Oh, fuck. Damn it, Tyler, I knew you brought that. I fucking knew you brought that, you son of a bitch. Let the slug work.
What? What?
Hey, why are you laughing? Did you do it?
Yeah.
No! No! Oh my god. Okay, alright.